Let us walk. I am walking upstairs in our building. So this will be very good exercise. Do that in your society also, building. That will make your knees, feet, total leg, lungs stronger. So this is 8 floors. So I go up 8 floors, get down 8 floors, and repeat for 3 times at least. It requires 15 minutes, but this will give you very nice fitness exercise. See, I walked across. Rajendra here. I will climb down now. Getting down. You may be listening to my respiration sound because my lungs and respiratory system has to do a lot of work. While climbing down, I feel it very easy. Climbing up is also okay, but it will take much energy, but will boost your stamina. So depending on your heart condition and basically ensuring that you take regular exercises for leg. All its 3 portions: bottom feet, then middle and upper till your waist. Then only you can go stronger for this type of exercises. Otherwise, start slowly. Instead of going by lift, if it is near, you start better you start by physically climbing. So I say sometimes in humor that if you take, say, 50 steps per day for climbing up and down, so this will increase your life by at least 1 day. So this is good practice, and do forward to all your groups, and let's make a healthy life, healthy town, healthy nation, healthy earth. I do take exercise regularly. Without exercise, generally I have no right to eat food. That is my self-conviction. So before having breakfast, I will see that whether I have taken enough exercise or no. Otherwise, first take exercise and then eat something. This is a very simple thing to follow in life. You will be successful for health.